neighborhood. Okay. Come to the point again. The topic is roadmap to success. Everybody wants to succeed. All of you here want some success in life. I don't know what definition you have for your success. Getting good marks, passing this year, getting through the school, getting into some career, becoming something, doctor, engineer, lawyer, CA, or a good businessman, something or the other, you have some picture of success with you, right? Okay. We'll brainstorm that. The picture is good or bad, correct or no, and only having the picture and where is the road. Okay? We'll try to touch these points. As I said, I'll reintroduce myself. All that has gone with time. I believe I am a student because only a student can succeed. And I want more and more success, like you are. Okay? So if you want success, you need to be a student. क्या होता है student? Student means विद्यार्थी. विद्यार्थी, how many of you, most of you have studied Hindi also, I believe, है ना? विद्यार्थी का संधि विषय सर वो नहीं पढ़ा है. विद्यार्थी का संधि विषय होता है विद्यार्थी जोड़ अर्थी, विद्या जोड़ अर्थी. बैक बेंचर्स बोलते हैं विद्या की अर्थी निकालने वाले, है ना? जो विद्या की अर्थी निकाल देता है वो होता है विद्यार्थी. द मीनिंग गोज एज विद्या को चाहने वाला, विद्या को पाने वाला. ठीक है? विद्यार्थी वो व्यक्ति होता है जो कोई चीज सीख रहा होता है. Somebody who is learning. विद्या प्लस अर्थी, विद्या को चाहने वाला. विद्यार्थी किसी भी आयु वर्ग का हो सकता है. ठीक है? महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि वो कुछ सीख रहा होना चाहिए. The most important thing is he should be learning something, and that is why I define myself as a student. I am happy that I still go on learning something or the other every day, and one part of that is I am present here. I want to learn something from you. I want to learn how to speak. That can be possible only when I speak. ठीक है? And I pray to God, I be a student till the day that feeling inside me of being a student doesn't die before I die. Okay? And I hope if you can get this point and take this point from this seminar, that is sufficient. You be a student till the day you die. Don't let that feeling die inside you before you actually die. Okay? Now target. When you have to succeed, you have to have a goal, you have to have a target. You want to achieve something, the target for you, good marks. No. And what is good? That is a defined perimeter. Everybody has its own good. Somebody is happy just to pass. Somebody is happy 60, 70, 90, 100. Some of you are there who want even more than 100. And I don't know how to get that. But some are there. Okay? Backbenchers know who are they. They know everybody. I tell you, from the last bench they observe everybody and they will tell, ये बहुत स्मार्ट बन रहा है, इसको 102 चाहिए, है ना? So they know, I know. So we the parents and the student both want good marks at any cost. चाहिए, है ना? Every one of you is under tremendous pressure, either from your own side or from your parents, brothers, sisters, siblings, neighbors, relatives. कोई भी कभी भी मिलता है ना? You are going to a marriage, somebody, how is study going? I have come to a marriage, what is this study going? Okay. So that pressure is there and it will be there until unless you get out of the school. ये तो this is common, no? Parents will scold if you don't score good marks. Everybody is scolding, but nobody tells you how to get that. That is the problem, and you don't know whom to ask. That is again a dilemma. This is also interesting. I have seen this. You fight with your teachers to get half mark, 1 mark, 2 mark. Ma'am, यहाँ पे 1 mark और मिल सकता है. And I have written 3 lines out of 4. 1 more mark can be there. Okay. So we are ready by any means to achieve good marks. That is the most unfortunate illusion you are living with. Marks does not make you. What you are running after doesn't even mean anything. Okay. Good marks are only good on paper, nothing else. Why you are running after such a thing? That is a wrong target. Your marks. You can come to school to get good marks. Why you come to school to get good marks? That is a wrong target. That is a wrong goal you have decided. Good heart. Some economics students also are same. No? Commerce students are there. You heard the name Charles Goodhart. He was a renowned economist. After his research work does not belong to the students, to the companies. He gave this law. When a measure becomes a target, it ceases to be a good measure. Understand this point. Now, what is marks? It is a measure of how much you have learned, what you were taught, how you know, how much you know. That we want to test, no? That's why we take exam, you write test. So how much you have learned in this lesson, how much you have learned in this term. Okay, one test we will write, we will see how much we know. And how much that thing to know how much that is scaled into 0 to 100, that is a measure. You got 60, 70. So out of that marks, you should have to know, okay, I got 70, means I know 70% of the things which appeared. So 30% I need to improve. Or 70 is also, you know, 2 questions came by luck, which I know. So things like that you have to analyze in that fashion. But abhi kya hai? That is your prime goal. 90 लाना है. That has become your prime goal. So now when your measure has become your target, it has ceased to be a good measure even. Now that marks what you are getting does not depict what you are learning. ऐसा हो गया ना? Now that 80, seeing that 80, I cannot say this fellow or that girl knows 80% of the thing. No. Because that has become your target and you are ready to use any means to get it. Rattafication word is common, you know. Student word. And you have invented this word, rattafication. पूरा रट्टा मार लिया ऊपर से नीचे कॉमा फुल स्टॉप के साथ. All mug up, vomit, good marks, है ना? And most of the schools are liking that vomit. I don't know why. Then you will ask them, if marks are not important, how come marks are not important? This is what we are told since junior KG. Marks are very important. You have to get good marks. And now you are telling marks are not important. How come? Let's see. I believe most of you here, they have scored more than 50, 60 or 70 even. Many of you are in 80, 90, 100. Okay? So let's average out. Average the class. And we say that each of you are average at 70 or 75. Is it fine? Okay? So, and 80% of you are going to write JEE and NEET. Because I know parents don't know any other career. So better you write JEE or you write NEET. I don't know what you want, but parents want you write JEE. They want you write NEET. Right? Have you ever talked what I want? बोल के फायदा नहीं है. Nobody will understand. Things like that come. That is a separate issue. ठीक है, need to talk to your parents. ठीक. Now what do you think? What is the qualifying marks for these exams? 30 to 35% only. If you score 35, in JEE, even in NEET, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, for sure. So now you are scoring 70, 75, so now you have to work hard to reduce your marks to 30. You got my point? So how you work that hard to reduce your marks? Because you don't need 70, no? So why you are worrying about 70, 80, 90? You need 30, 35. So now you worry about 35. How I will get that 35? Okay? Here your conceptions get clear. Ki rectification fails here. You will not get 30 even with your rectification. Think about it. All the rectification you do in your life, full stop, comma, everything you learn from each book, then also you will not get 30. I can give it in writing. Those who get 30 after rectification in JEE or NEET, they can come and beat me. I will accept. Okay. So now the point, you understand what you are going through or what you are preparing, the road itself is wrong. You are walking on the wrong road. So how you will get your target? You are walking in the wrong path, you will get a wrong result, you will get a wrong destination. Right? So let's get it right. This is too small. Actually, this is JEE result. I can share you this later. But it is showing the marks and the rank. If you score 100, you get a 35 to 40,000 rank in JEE. That ensures a good engineering college. Good. I am telling good. If you score 120 out of how much? 300, 40% marks, you are into an NIT or IIT. That's it. NEET, this is only total marks, 720 marks exam will be there, no? Okay. How many of you know this 720 marks biology students? This will come. Okay, good. At least you know what you are going to write, no? You want to write NEET, how many questions, how many marks, don't know. Okay, at least good. Last year NEET, you know, 720 to 138, that is the range. Matlab minimum is 138. Out of 720, 138, the student who scored 138, he is a doctor. Out of 720. The range is 720, starting from 720 because two of them scored 720 out of 720. वो भी है. ठीक है. I am not going to there. Maybe one or two of you will land up there. I am going with my approach. कमरे में घुसना है, दरवाजा नहीं तो खिड़की भी काम आएगा. We have to get enter, and that's it. So minimum will be sufficient for me. So I go with the minimum mark. 25 चाहिए. My target is 30. If I score 30, I am through. I am happy. I don't want to be backbenchers. कहाँ तक जाएंगे? ना काफी है ना यार. ठीक है. You all can be here one day, no? But the journey from there to here, very painful. Nothing is easy in this life. Everything is very simple. Everybody knows what to do. How to do, when to do, very difficult. No? Good question. How many of you want to go to heaven? How many of you like heaven? स्वर्ग में रहने का है. Raise your hand, no? जो हेल में जाना चाहते हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Those who want to go to heaven, raise your hand. No, girls don't want to go to heaven. Now everybody wants to go to heaven. ठीक है? I know you know the answer. ठीक है? Next, almost everyone. Everybody likes heaven, no? Everybody wants to go to heaven. How many of you want to die? ये कौन बात हो गई? क्यों? है ना? He is very much fed up from the studies, no? Better die, go away from here. Don't die. There is life beyond this also. This does not define everything. This piece of paper, this place, this school, college, this education does not define you. Okay? Don't think ever like that. Okay? So nobody wants to die. Now if you want to go to heaven, and if you don't want to die, how you will go to heaven? So if you want to go to heaven, you have to die. So if you dream of heaven, get ready to cross that path of dying every day. Every single minute you have to die. Then you will get heaven. Okay? If you want to shine like sun, you have to burn like sun. Everybody उगते सूरज को सभी नमन करते हैं दूर से. Because he has reached his pinnacle. Once you reach your pinnacle, people will fear you. Fear क्या है? They, out of respect, they will not even try to speak to you. You will be at par with everybody, anybody. But to reach there, you have to burn like it, no? So everybody wants success, and elevator to success is out of order. You will not get an elevator. But the stairs are always open. There is a stair, you can climb step by step, every day, every minute, every hour. Somebody of dreaming of getting an overnight shift, that will never happen. Overnight, that night will not come. Believe me. So there is no elevator, no shortcut. कुछ नहीं होगा. Success comes when we change, when we improve continuously, when we become better each day. There is no shortcut. Most important point here is change. Nobody likes change. Nobody likes change. Do you like when we were shifted from there to there? That change itself you didn't like. Even more bigger changes. And at least you showed the courage to come. What about the next bench? They could have also stood and come, no? But they lost that opportunity. Opportunity is there for who will take. It will not be presented to you on a plate. You have to get. You have to take it. Okay? This is a rough success plan. So if you want to have a success, it should be driven by motivation. फायर होना है अंदर. फायर है में याद आया? हाँ, वो फायर अंदर होना है. Otherwise coal is as black and as dumb as you can think. But once it gets fire, you enjoy this fan and electricity, everything from there. So much of capacity, energy it has. ठीक है? So, sorry. See, concentration, you should be well behaved. Time management, focus would be good. Good health, and avoid procrastination. Procrastination, you know? हाँ? आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसों. इतनी जल्दी क्या है यारो, जीना है अभी परसों. And this philosophy is called procrastination. आज का कल, कल का परसों करेंगे नहीं. ठीक है? All these things we want to change, and the center of everything is self-discipline. बाहर से कोई नहीं आएगा. Important word is self. ठीक है? खुद करना है. Then who is holding you back? कोई पकड़ के बैठा क्या? Who is holding you back? Why you are not doing it? Why we are not doing it? Leave apart you. When you go on, analyze, your parents are not doing it. Your neighbors are not doing it. Many teachers are also not doing it. Everybody is suffering bit of it. I am also not doing it. Nobody is perfect. We are suffering bit of it, all of us. We are holding. Who is holding us back? Why we are not moving forward? Why not everybody is succeeding? Why not everybody is becoming a fan? When we all know we all know what is about success and self-discipline and focus, we need to work hard. This you know, from childhood onwards, everybody telling you work hard, work hard, work hard. What work hard? I don't want to become a labor, right? He is working harder than me, harder than all of you. So if only working hard gives you success, everybody will become a labor. You will be pulling cart and taking stones here and there. ठीक है, we don't want to become that, no. So we don't work hard, work smart. Then why we are not able to get what we want when we know everything? And everybody want to know how to do it, है ना? How we should prepare, how to get good marks, how to get into JEE, how to prepare, ठीक है? But before that, how you need to know your why. Why you want to do this, and why you want to clear JEE, why you want to clear NEET, or why you want to become a businessman? Why? सब लोग करते तो अपन भी करेंगे. सबसे कॉमन एग्जाम आंसर ये है. Everybody does, so let it be. I will also do. Society is agreeing with such a program. ठीक है? Done? ऐसा नहीं. अगर सब ऐसा करेंगे ना, you see the society, only 3% of the people rise. 97% of the people live that life all along. You will land up in that 97% without even knowing what wrong you did. Girls especially. ठीक है? I respect girls more than anyone, and I admire your effort. You can laugh. I'll tell you many things you don't know. I'll tell you. Your chance will come. ठीक है? They are fighting against the society. Now the society has improved, but they are still fighting against the system to cope up with you, cope up with us, because we have designed the system. Men has designed the system. Men have been ruling this world. So we have made the laws. We have made these systems where we fit in, we rule, and we don't want anybody else to take my place. Who will? So you have a greater challenge to deal with. Otherwise, you know your path is defined where you will land. So if you don't want to land there, change your road today itself. You can achieve anything. You know one interesting point? Brains of men and female are different. Boys or men brain can process only one data at a time. Only one. The smart boys, you can process only one data at a time. Females can process 7 data at a time. So before you laugh them again, think about it. You are 7 times inferior to them. Okay? Another why. There should be a strong why. Kitna strong? Somebody is sleeping, no? We wake him up. Chalo. Sit straight. When I count, say yes. Hold your breath. Okay? I say go. You hold your breath. Take a deep breath. Hold it. I will count up to 10, and then you release. And all the lungs are okay? Fine, no? Good. So, okay, we will start. No, corona people, don't worry, you will faint, but you will not die. You cannot hold your breath yourself to make yourself die. Try many times, you cannot do. Never. ठीक है, so don't worry, nothing will happen. ठीक है? So let's start. Okay? Take a deep breath. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are laughing. Nobody is holding the breath. Doesn't matter. Okay? Now when you left, how much you wanted to take the breath? How much? अभी अगर बोलते कि ये PUBG गेम चालू है, या तो एक सांस ले लो या play one game. What they will choose? Game. They will die for anything. Good. Good. Only if you seek the goal, you will become, nobody can become. Really? See, if you can die for something like PUBG, so if you send that PUBG to 5G, where you will go? Nobody can stop. Okay? When we are out of breath, that single breath which now we are taking and you are not even realizing you are breathing. No? But that time that became so much important. Your life is at stake. You want that breath at any cost, right? If you want something with that intensity, nobody can stop. Nobody can stop you from taking your breath, so nobody will be able to stop you from clearing any of these exams or doing anything. Humans are teleological organism. That is, we are purpose driven. We need a purpose. Without purpose, we don't do anything. स्कूल आते हैं क्योंकि मम्मी नहीं मारे, अदरवाइज आते नहीं है ना. आधो का ये रीजन है दिस साइड. ठीक है. और ही इज गोइंग टू हैव टू गो सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन. बाकी बोले ये घर पे रहता है तो, बट देयर विल बी अ पर्पस. विदाउट दैट यू विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग. नोबडी विल डू एनीथिंग विदाउट अ पर्पस. ठीक है. Only 3% have clear goal and plan, written down plans. तुम में से किसी का नहीं होगा. Have you ever written down, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a good businessman? What type of businessman? After how many years? 3 years, 2 years, 5 years? Why? वो सर ये तो तुम दिमाग में छपा है. It's always there, right? What is always there and not on paper and pen, that is only hopes and wishes. ऐसा हम सोचते हैं कैसा हम बन जाए, है ना. They are only hopes and wishes, thoughts without any energy backing them. So we are having so many thoughts. We'll do wonders सपने में, है ना, क्योंकि वो ड्रीम में है. So someday we are hoping कि something good happens in our dreamland. वो स्टोरी में होता है, सच में नहीं होगा. तो पूरी कहानी में what was the thing which is holding us back? ये बस है. Our own monkey mind. ठीक है. It will not allow you to do what you want to do, or actually you should do. Your own mind. We are ruled by our mind, which stops us from doing the desired things. ठीक है. In Hitopdesha, the mind is compared to as a drunken monkey who has been beaten up by a scorpion and haunted by a ghost. मतलब बोले तो फुल पागल, है ना. तो माइंड इज डिफाइंड एज फुल पागल. वो अपने पास है, तो वो पागल अपनी दुनिया चला रहा है. तो व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट? वैसे ही होगा ना. थिंग्स विल गो लाइक व्हाट माइंड ड्राइव्स यू. यू विल लैंड अप देयर. यू विल डू थिंग्स लाइक दैट. आवर माइंड इज ओनली प्रेजेंट at the present time for 3 seconds only. मतलब last half an hour I am telling you will be having thousands of thoughts till then. No, एक बार तो कोई पेरिस वरिस घूम के भी आ गया, प्यारा हुआ आया, राज सिलेप्लेक्स, everybody you will go everywhere. ठीक है. Mind cannot stay at one point more than 3 seconds. Research says this. ठीक है. And an average per day, you know, we have about 70,000 thoughts. That is why it is called a monkey mind. No, it will be jumping around the thoughts. Other times it is thinking only about past, क्या हो गया, कल तो बहुत डांट पड़ा था, and anticipating about the future. मैं तो IAS बनेगा. बनने के लिए क्या करना, वो नहीं करेगा, बनेगा. I will be one day. That one day पता नहीं कब आएगा. ठीक है. But when that day will be near to your career ना, it will be very painful. See, life teaches you lesson. Either you learn yourself or life will teach, or time will teach. If time teaches you lesson, it will be very painful, very very painful. And why, you know, you don't know why only 10th and 12th are selected like that. You are on the verge of that platform. Now either you will fly or you will fall. चिड़िया को पाल के इतना बड़ा करते हैं, बार बार निकल गए तो उसको किनारे लगा के चिड़िया लात मार देती, चलो उड़ो. If he can fly, then good. He will rule the world or he will finish. So you have come to that age. Open your wings and get ready to fly, or else others will put their feet over you and walk. भगवत गीता में कहा है, For him who has conquered the mind is the best friend. But for one who has failed to do so, his very mind will be his greatest enemy. Enemy word use कर लिया, दुश्मन है. It is a दुश्मन. You search Oxford. The Oxford dictionary, enemy means somebody who wants to harm you, and this fellow, this thing really wants to harm us. There is always a constant battle in our mind, always, for every choice. आज स्कूल आना है, जाऊं कि नहीं जाऊं, you will tell कि you should go, and your monkey mind will say, rainy season 2 घंटे सोएंगे, मजा है. Again, every day you will feel, every time, every situation you will have, every decision you will have that battle going on. And unfortunate thing is, most of the time we lose to our minds. वो जीत जाता है ना. ये बड़ा concept. If you understand this, half of your problems will be gone. We are not our mind. अभी हम क्या होता है, सर मन नहीं कर रहा था तो नहीं किया, मन है ना. मन क्या, इसने आइसक्रीम खा लिया, मन क्या था तो वो पिज्जा भी खा लिया था. किसका मन क्या? We blame everything to the मन किया इसलिए उसने ऐसा कर दिया. While saying we are denoting that मन as third person, किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. बट मेरे साथ जो बुरा हुआ वो मन, and I feel मन as we are मन. We are not मन. We are not our mind. Remember this, mind is a separate entity, proved scientifically. No, it has been proved. In 17th century, French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes, he outlined this distinction between mind and body. How many you know? Leave apart you. How many of you know this man, René Descartes? You know? All of you know. All of you know. All of you know him very well. How many of you know this XY axis बना करके ये खींचा वो खींचा, लाइन पॉइंट? नो. What is this called? Cartesian coordinate system. Cartes. This man invented this, and I believe one of the finest invention in the field of mathematics or in science, because this enabled us to link geometry with algebra, with trigonometry, with statistics, everything. इसने धागा पिरो दिया in each the bits. Otherwise, each were studied differently. Now you can draw a line here, and you can represent that line in algebra. You can draw a few lines and depict all your thetas and phis in trigonometry. You can draw histogram and ogives. अभी 10th वाले नहीं पढ़े, but all were linked. But interestingly, this man, जितना important he gave here Cartesian coordinate systems, much more important he gave that concept where he believed and where he made theories about how mind and body are two different identities. ठीक है? He claimed that body is a dualistic nature. One part is automatic. Do you count number of breaths you take, number of heartbeats? ये सब अपने God is very smart, you know. अगर ये अपने पे दे देते ना, you have the control. Don't feel like coming to school. Don't feel like breathing also. Let it go. है ना? इतना लेजी हो गया, breathe करना भूल गया, हार्ट पंप करना भूल गया, छोड़ दिया. अरे आज आधा दिन रेस्ट कर दो इसको, निकल लिए, सीधा है गन. So God has not given this command to you. These all functions are automatic. है ना, they are all in auto mode. So body works as automatic mode. You don't control which cell will grow, which cell will not grow. You don't control where protein will be absorbed, where it will be transferred. No. ठीक है, how kidney will function, how lungs is functioning. No. What we control is our thoughts and our action. That is thinking mind and non-material mind. तो mind अलग चीज है. Now visualizing mind as a different identity, it helps how? Example, है ना. अभी अगर ये लोग को बोले half of them are sleeping. See, 3% rule applies everywhere. Actually 3 not. 80-20% Pareto principle. 20% of the people only do 80% of the good work. And that 20% of the people will rule the 80% of the people. ठीक है, तो you can always choose to be an 80%. That is why girls are ruling now, you know, because they are more towards 20%. Anyway, 3% rule works everywhere. Visualizing identity in different entity is easy. Why? If I tell you give 5 points about me, सब उड़ के पहले मैं बताएगा, ज्यादा बोल रहा है. Everybody has something to tell. Easy, है ना? No, his some words are not clear, some mic is not holding this, that. Research, you can do analysis about anybody. Very easy job, right? Same thing if I tell you, make analysis about yourself. Analysis report about you. पता नहीं, एक लाइन भी नहीं लिख पाए. What to tell sir? I know myself, know this, that. See, you know yourself better than anybody. Because outside we project something, there will be something different inside. All of us. थोड़ा सा तो अलग होता है. But still you cannot write a page about yourself. Honestly नहीं लिख पाए. You try at home, one page about yourself. Honestly, you will not write. क्यों? तो जैसे लिखा जाएगा I am lazy. Lazy नहीं, I love sleeping. ऐसा अच्छा लगता है. You will not point any negative point towards you. उसको अच्छा थोड़ा क्रीम बनाने का कोशिश करती है, थोड़ा अच्छा दिखे. अगर मम्मी देख ली तो so we will not do anything like that. इसीलिए if we treat our mind as a separate entity, वो उधर बैठा है, अब उसके बारे में तो पूरी we are expert. उसका तो निकाल रहा है, तू ज्यादा सोचता है, गलत करता है, सिर्फ नेगेटिव थॉट मेरे अंदर डाल रहा है, प्रॉब्लम है, अपने पास नहीं कर सकते. That's why this concept becomes so important कि अब हम उसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं एज अ सेकंड एंड थर्ड आइडेंटिटी. और उसमें हम एल्बर्ट हबर्ट ने सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन का डेफिनेशन दिया था. मोस्ट पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज दिस एज द बेस्ट, द एबिलिटी टू मेक योर सेल्फ डू वॉट यू शुड डू व्हेन यू शुड डू इट, वेदर यू फील लाइक डूइंग इट और नॉट. नहीं मन कर रहा है तो भी कर रहे हैं, और जब करना है तब कर रहे हैं, क्या करना है वो कर रहे हैं. वो है सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. सुबह उठने का मन तो नहीं है, बट वी आर राइजिंग अप. स्कूल ड्रेस पहनने का भी मन नहीं है, वी आर डूइंग इट. स्कूल जाने का तो बिल्कुल ही मन नहीं है, बट वी आर गोइंग. वी डिसिप्लिन आवर सेल्फ टू डू दैट थिंग रिपीटेडली. ठीक है. Now persistence is actually self discipline in action. जब बार बार करते हैं रिपीटेडली, रिपीटेड करने से फायदा क्या होता है? व्हाट इज रिपीटेशन? प्रैक्टिस. नो, बचपन से पढ़ा है ना, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स परफेक्ट. है ऐसा नहीं होता है, सब कुछ गलत पढ़ा देते हैं. मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ, सही पढ़ते हैं, अभी जाकर के पता चला. प्रैक्टिस डजंट मेक परफेक्ट. यू प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग विथ योर लेग, आफ्टर 1 month you will be writing. Is it perfect? Practice makes habit. Practice train you to that skill. Whatever skill you want to develop or want to enhance, practice उसको help करेगा. If you choose something wrong, बहुत लोग को देखो ड्राइविंग गलत करते हैं, हैंडराइटिंग खराब है, उन्होंने इतनी प्रैक्टिस की, खराब हैंडराइटिंग की खराब ही रहेगा. But they can change. But not because they are inbuilt, they have made this wrong handwriting, dirty handwriting. They have practiced it a lot. So now even they are writing bad, they are not thinking bad, and they can clearly read themselves what they are writing. No, दूसरे को दिक्कत होगा वो समझे. प्रैक्टिस बताता हूँ, एक स्टोरी बता देता हूँ. सो रहेगा. You know Michael Phelps? No? टीवी भी नहीं देखते क्या? Michael Phelps, he is an most decorated Olympian of all time. 28 medals, Olympic medals. 28. Single man with 28 medals. He is at par with anybody. He is a swimmer. He has gold in all categories. His coach is Mr. Bob Bowson. Hard man. अब देखो, interesting thing. If you will think someone like Michael Phelps will have a coach like him, तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना. Not everybody will be making world records. Coach should not be superior to that discipline in that particular field. That training is important. You know how he trains? Every day, 14 hours training, every day. He said he didn't like training on Sundays. His coach will call on Sundays. Okay, on Sunday training. He said he didn't like going, but self-discipline, he goes to Sunday every time when his coach calls. Okay, every Sunday he went. Somebody asked him, why you are going then, you are such expert now? He says, no. He says, I should come, and I feel after completing a year, I analyzed my training schedule. I have trained 52 times more than my competitor. They were resting on Sunday and I was working on Sunday. Now even in his dream, he cannot beat me. Because I am 52 times more trained than him. In Olympic 2008, Beijing Olympic, okay, when he was 400 meter relay, 400 meter race, he was swimming. In the third lap, moisture came inside his goggles. They will use goggles, no, swimmers. Moisture came inside. Now the vision become blur. Actually, when they are underwater swimming, marks are there, no? T mark is there. That denotes कि इसके 3 meter के बाद that wall is there. Now when his vision becoming blur, what he did, he was calm. See, anybody will be in your exam, if your pen stops working, panic, crying, half of them will cry and half of them will इस साल fail हो गया. क्या किसके पास है? But he was very calm. He was calm. Fourth lap when he started, full water came inside the eye, full blind, nothing he can see. Last try, what he did, closed his eyes. He knew to complete this lap he had to stroke 20 or 21 strokes. He started counting his strokes like automatic mode. He is on automatic mode. Just giving the strokes. 19th stroke, he can hear the crowd cheering. In his interview, he said, I didn't know they were cheering for me or somebody else. But he knew that one more stroke is required. He gave one more stroke, touched the line, came out of water, removed the goggles to see his time. The board displayed Michael Phelps' world record. Such training. Why he was calm? Because his coach trained him in Michigan swimming pool. In dark night, he has to do the training with all lights off in dark pool. They vision this also. He trained it. Every race, what he does, he will do his, warm-ups. Then warm-up lap will be there. Then he will play one music, the same music every time. And then start the race, finish the race. He says, it is like a video tape in my mind. Last 13, 15 years I am doing same routine every day. Even for practice, he will follow same. So when the race starts, doesn't look different. He says, I just need to play a play button. प्ले किया एंड ऑटोमेटिक रीडिंग इज अ ऑटोमेटिक थिंग. इफ यू कैन गो टू दैट ऑटोमेटिक मोड, एक बार ये स्टार्ट किया, ये चैप्टर खत्म किया, वो विल स्टॉप. पर वो नहीं होता ना, क्योंकि sounds easy but very very difficult. But there are techniques, I tell you, where there are many techniques to handle this, but you need to give your dedication to that. There are many techniques. Time management is life management. Time के बिना कुछ नहीं होगा. What you have in your hand is time. Every one of you 86,400 seconds each day, 24 hours. ऐसा है क्या? You get 24, I get 25. Yeah, I got 24 and Adani Ambani got guess 30. He work more? No. Everybody is getting same 24 hours. See, you cannot read your course book. I read some extra book. That too limited numbers. Bill Gates read 52 books in a year. Each week one book. Just not read. He makes notes also. If he can get time, we are not getting time. हम उनसे भी ज़्यादा busy है नहीं? Bill Gates से भी ज़्यादा busy है. And we want to become Bill Gates. ठीक है? The greatest asset which God has given us, time. So, and you cannot store it, save it. अभी का भी जो मिला है, अभी का भी खर्च किया. 1 घंटा तुम लोगों ने मेरे को दे दिया. ठीक है? 60 minutes of your life, this will never come back. Mine also. अब कंट्रोलिंग टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट. If you can do that, but सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम टाइम के साथ है प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन. ये सबसे बड़ी बीमारी. But there are, it is a very big topic. We can do someday. But today I want to tell you some 2-3 techniques for this. At least one you can try. Live example I will tell you. It is a classic example of that mind pattern. Told you now. And every time mind wins. Now to avoid procrastination, following techniques can be used. Salami slice method. You all may not be knowing the names, Swiss cheese technique and the mile marker method. First method I will discuss with you all. ठीक है? Salami slice goes very well with you all. You all have to write a project, no? This year, of each subject project you have to write. Right? How many of you have completed? Backbenchers. क्या हो गया? ठीक है, good. See, half of them, all subjects you have completed. Good. What you will do other half of the year? ठीक है. But what I believe, everybody likes to work on the last moment, no? कल आना है तो आज जल्दी उसका लेके दे दो, उसका कॉपी कर, तुम ये आगे वाला बनाओ, मैं पीछे वाला लिखता हूँ, सब बाइंड कर देंगे एक साथ. Binding that Xerox machine shop will be full with students. I see. है ना? बाइंडिंग मेरा पहले, उसका पहले, आज देख के आया, कल देख. तो सब उस समय होता है, तो अभी कैसे सब हो गया है? यह बताने के लिए बोल दिया. खैर, पॉइंट इज कि व्हेन यू गेट द प्रोजेक्ट यू हैव टू राइट 40 पेजेस फॉर एग्जांपल. ठीक है? कितने दिन लगे लिखने में? कॉपी करना है सर तो 2 घंटे में कर लेता हूँ. गुड. ऐसा है ना? उसका देख के तो 2 घंटे में भी लिख देता हूँ. सॉफ्ट कॉपी मिले तो सिर्फ प्रिंट लेना है सर. नाम एडिट किया, प्रिंट. ठीक, वो भी कर सकते हैं. फॉन्ट चेंज कर देना थोड़ा, फॉन्ट चेंज, साइज चेंज एंड प्रिंट, सबमिट. ठीक है? डांट नहीं खाना है तो लास्ट डे करना. अभी करें तो टीचर पता चल जाएगा योर कॉपी. लास्ट डे शी विल ऑल्सो डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन टू एक्सेप्ट. लास्ट डे यही है जो है, हो गया तो मिल जाएगा. दे विल ऑल बीट मी, सॉरी बट गुड टेक्निक, यू नो. सो salami slice technique, what it does, salami slice make small chunks, small slices. जैसे आपको प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, स्टार्टिंग प्रॉब्लम है ना. द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इज टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग, है ना. वंस यू स्टार्ट, chances are you will finish, and you will not start thinking about the ample of work you have to do this work, है ना. 40 पेज, अगर 40 की जगह 400 पेज लिखना तो 400 पेज थीसिस लिखना है. ओके, टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट, नेक्स्ट मंथ. अभी तो बारिश है. सम एक्सक्यूजेस, लेम एक्सक्यूज, इसलिए बोला बारिश. ऑल एक्सक्यूजेस आर लेम एक्सक्यूज. सो यू कैन गो लाइक दिस कि ठीक है, टुडे आई विल मेक ओनली द कवर पेज. बस कवर पेज तो बना सकते हैं ना एक दिन में. कंप्यूटर खोला, कवर पेज बनाया, दैट्स इट, क्लोज इट. नेक्स्ट डे आई विल मेक ओनली द इंडेक्स. अभी तो पता नहीं है सर अंदर क्या क्या. अरे इंट्रोडक्शन, क्या कहते हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव, थ्योरी, थैंक, बैक बोर्ड ऑफ थैंक्स, 4-5 चीज तो कॉमन है ना, वो तो रहेगा, वही बना लेंगे. पेज बाय पेज, इवन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर और द टॉपिक, उससे कि ओके सिर्फ 2 पेज लिखेंगे, 1 पेज ही लिखेंगे, 1 पेज लिख के विल क्लोज इट, 1 day 1 पेज. ठीक है. आफ्टर 10 days यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्टॉप एट 1 पेज. 1 पेज लिखना तो शुरू किया था, एंड किया 5 पेज लिखने के बाद, क्योंकि दिमाग को एक बार जब वो लत लग जाती है तो वो रुकेगी नहीं, वो रुकने देगा नहीं. बोले 5 मिनट और लगेगा, 1 पेज और कर लेते हैं. क्लोजर, कंपल्सन टू क्लोजर फैक्टर वर्क्स इनसाइड अस. ठीक है. इसी का एक सेकंड ग्रुप है स्विच चीज. अब इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, नहीं पता हाउ टू स्टार्ट, हाउ टू डू योर वर्क, लाइक देयर टीचर्स आर डूइंग अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट टाइप थिंग. allocate time, half an hour only I will work on this. half an hour फिजिक्स पढ़ेंगे, बंद कर देंगे, जहां तक होगा वहीं. 10 क्वेश्चन, 5 क्वेश्चन, 1 आवर मैथ्स सॉल्व करेंगे, कितना भी होगा वहां पे क्लोज कर दो. रिपीट दिस 1 आवर एवरी डे, हाफ एन आवर एवरी डे. बोरिंग है, 15 मिनट एवरी डे. दैट 15 minutes will add up and that will become, this is called Swiss cheese. चीज देखा, उसमें होल होता है, होल जो टॉम एंड जेरी में दिखाते हैं, सेम चीज. दैट होल डिपिक्ट्स द पंक्चर, द होल यू आर मेकिंग इन द टाइम स्लॉट. ठीक है. माइल मार्कर इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. अभी काम नहीं आएगा ये लोग. लास्ट, बिफोर वी क्लोज, आई वांट टू रिमूव सम मिसकंसेप्शंस. ठीक है. सबसे पहला हमने डिस्कस किया, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स परफेक्ट. प्रैक्टिस विल नॉट मेक परफेक्ट. जब हम सेम चीज बार बार करते हैं, वी रिपीट थिंग्स, व्हाट हैपेंस? ब्रेन के अंदर क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर? बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स, सर हमारा ब्रेन तो खाली है, आप अपना बताओ. देयर विल बी न्यूरॉन्स, सिनेप्सेस विल बी कनेक्टेड. ठीक है. तो न्यूरॉन कनेक्शंस विल बी देयर. नाउ यू नो your brain has how many neurons? More than the leaves in the trees of an Amazon forest. काम उतना नहीं करते हैं. 2 to 10% only of the brain we use, that you know. But so many neurons are there which we can explore. So when you do something, like when I write something, this finger, this hand, every signal goes till here, and they know how to move. And because I am doing this from junior KG, so that path is very clear. ठीक है. One renowned neuroscientist, Donald Hebb, in the year 1949, he published his paper, Hebb's law. Neurons that fire together wire together. The neurons which will work together, they will wire together, that will get connected, like the path you make in between the grasses when you walk in the forest or in the fields. Same path you are, all the students are moving, so you will see some lines are there. So same type of work you will do, no? The brain will link. Then now that linkage is so strong. Example, like you brush your teeth. Only you have to start, pick the brush. Rest you don't have to think. You don't think even where brush is going. You think. How many of you think which teeth brush is cleaning, where it is going, not going? Everything automatic, hand knows. The brain knows. We have trained the brain so much, we don't even have to think what to do. Okay. So when we do practice so much, our neuron connections get so strong. It knows the destination. See, in our body, everything is controlled by fluids, blood, है ना? So all transport mechanism is blood. Bus दिया है, bus. That is a bus. You move load, move. But for transfer of signals, body is using electrical pulses. Neurons transfer electrical pulses. Why? they are fastest to the speed of light. What is the speed of light? 3 into 10 power 8. Without unit, nothing is nothing. Physics does not go without unit. You mention something, you have to mention the units. Balance the units, problem is solved. ठीक है? 11 12 11th में तो है ना, मेज क्या होता है उसको? MLT -2 ये सब पढ़ा ना? Dimensions, yes. Sleep less. Work. So 8 hours you are sleeping, 10 hours you should sleep less. Then only you can work. No, you must sleep. All parents, teachers will be telling. Sleeping is a very, very important activity. Very important. You know what happens when you sleep? Such dream comes. अरे वो नहीं. उधर नहीं. When we sleep because we are tired. Body is tired. Body से भी ज़्यादा brain is tired. It's heated up. You know why you are yawning? Anyway. You means the whole lot. Don't take personally. ठीक है? Why anybody yawns? Why you yawn? सर बोरिंग पढ़ाएगा तो yawn होएगा ना, है ना? बोरिंग के चलते the brain gets exhausted. We get heated here. अब इधर में तो कोई रेडिएटर लगा नहीं है, कार में पानी डाला. So when we open our mouth, the upper jaw is having a contact with the lower part of the brain. So we open our mouth and observe. We inhale air. We inhale air when we open our mouth. The air goes inside to cool the upper part, cool the brain. That shows, that is a sign that not you are sleepy, but you are tired. Your brain is getting exhausted. ठीक है? Sleepless तो बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि when you sleep, what happens? The neurons here, they shrink to 60%. छोटे होते हैं, जगह बनाते हैं. And cerebral fluid starts moving inside the brain. Washing machine चालू हो जाता है. It will rinse and it will clean the brain. 45 minutes का साइकिल है, one cycle. तो 6 to 8 hours of sleep नहीं है, 6 to 8 hour cycles of 45 minutes. ठीक है? But somebody can get fresh 3-4 cycles में भी हो सकता है, no problem. 4 hours 5 hours sleep भी चलेगा. But that sleep should be sound. That mechanism should work. Second, high growth hormones which the body secretes, which is required for your growth, mental and physical growth both. 75% of that hormone is secreted when we sleep. अब ये दोनों से हम अपने आप को वंचित करना चाहते हैं, तो what you want to achieve, not favorable, not at all. Don't waste time in playing. अब जाके इन्हें बोलना don't tell कि आज सर आए थे, वो बोले 1 घंटा पबजी खेलना है. पबजी नहीं खेलना है. Here playing means physical game. Here playing means anything which involves your hands, legs, body, mind. ठीक है? Play something in the evening. Play something. कुछ तो खेलो 1 घंटा. It will refresh you to work the next 4 hours. I followed it. Even on the day of board exams, I played every day. मेरे क्लास के बच्चे नहीं मिलते थे खेलने के लिए. I play with smaller children, but I play. तो बुरा तो नहीं हुआ. ठीक है? Tutoring helps. Tuition तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. Tutoring will help you, no doubt. You have problem in some area, that will help you, but it consumes a lot of time. और वही तो एक कमोडिटी है तुम्हारे पास, टाइम. You are giving all your time there. अपना कब पढ़ा? तो not telling कि अपने से सब पढ़ सकते हो. You need help. I know you need help, but be selective. Which area you need help? Which subject you need help? Don't just the भीड़ goes so I go. है ना? You are not ships. सारे एक साथ में ऐसा नहीं करना. ठीक है? The best way to learn is, ये तो पता है सर. The best way to learn is teach. The teacher teacher learns the most. तुम तो एक बार पढ़ते हो, वो मैडम तीनों सेक्शन को पढ़ाती है 3 बार, तुमने सामने एक बार पढ़ा, उन्होंने 3 बार पढ़ाया, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, व्हेन यू टीच you cannot say anything which you are itself fully doubted. You are in doubt, you don't know this concept well, how you will teach? So best way to learn, form groups among yourself. 3-4 का ग्रुप होना चाहिए, 2 to 4. अब बड़ा क्लास का ग्रुप मत बना, बैठ के वहाँ पे किटी पार्टी 2 to 4 का ग्रुप होना चाहिए, where you decide a time and you teach one chapter or one topic one by one to the group. आज मैं ये पढ़ाऊंगा लीनियर इक्वेशन, ठीक है, आज मैं पढ़ाऊंगा मोशन वर्क डन. ही विल टीच, तो वो पहले पढ़ के आएगा, जिसको पढ़ाएगा दोस्त लोग तो नॉट यूज द वर्ड बदमाश होते हैं, है ना, तो बदमाश होते हैं, तो पढ़ाओगे तो छोड़ थोड़े देंगे, आओ पढ़ाओ, बढ़िया बढ़िया सवाल पूछेंगे, विल ग्रिल यू, ठीक है. 99% चांस उसको खुद आंसर नहीं पता है, बट दे विल लाइक ग्रिलिंग, ठीक है. यू विल बिकम ग्रिल सैंडविच, बट आफ्टर यू बिकम ग्रिल सैंडविच देन ओनली यू विल बिकम वर्थ, नो, नहीं तो ऐसे ब्रेड तो 10 रुपये में बिकता है, ठीक है. गेट ग्रिल, गेट दैट बर्निंग, ठीक है. ग्रुप बना करके पढ़ो, छोटा ग्रुप, 3-4 महीने तो पता चला ऑनलाइन गेम खेलने लगे, वो देन दैट यू हैव टू थिंक हाउ टू बाइफरकेट, ओके, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेक? Good, good. No, sleeping also you can raise your hand. Some people do. I have a friend, he can open his eyes and sleep. He trained like that. No? Any one of you, you want to ask something? You want to discuss something, you tell? Or I will wind up. Wind up? He is exhausted. Okay. Thank you then.